Hello everyone, welcome to a small turbo channel. So today we're going to take up this CPD thing. Alright, so what is this CPD? It's continuing professional development. So CPD are required to those professionals who are going to renew their licenses in the Professional Regulatory Commission. Professional regulations. What's that PRC? Let me first. PRC stands for. All right, Professional Regulation Commission. Right, so let's go back. So CPD are required to us professionals when we are going to renew our license in the PRC or in the Professional Regulation. What's that? Professional Regulations Board. What's board? PRC. Professional Regulation Commission. All right. So every time we are going to renew here in for our license, every time we're going to renew our license in the Professional Regulations Commission, we are required to have this CPD. So what is CPD? So CPD stands for Continuing Professional Development. Right, so CPD is the holistic commitment of professionals towards the enhancement of personal skills and proficiency throughout their careers. Right, so this time, let's have this certification from Prospero Teaching. So after we answer the online course here, we are given certificate. So it says free accredited CPD for teachers and support staff. Right, so all you have to do is click on that. Then so it says here courses for teachers and support staff. So free accredited CPD for teachers and support staff. So at Prospero Teaching, we know what excellent trainings looks like, and we strive to provide you with bespoke, high-quality practical training. Join the thousands of teachers who have already benefited from our expert facilitators and in-house training and development team. Alright, so please be aware that results will take a lot longer to process at this time due to staff shortages and an extremely high volume of course submissions. We will still endeavor to process your results as soon as possible, and thank you for your patience. Alright, so we have a lot of online courses to choose from here. So let us choose. Alright, so in every course or online course, there are expected duration. For example, for this course, it takes 1 hour for us to take on this. Right, then we also have other courses. Let's find the shortest course. Courses. Let me go back. Alright, so let's take this course, Safer Remote Teaching Online Course. Right, so just click Take this course. So let's just type in here our complete name, full name. So this would appear in our certificate. We are done filling in the information. Just tick this here. I give consent to Prosper Teaching to storing my data and contacting me for the purpose of work, finding activity, marketing materials, information about free training. So we are going to watch here and listen to the video in full before attempting to answer the questions, right? So this course requires 100% answers to be correct in order to pass the course. So after you watch the video, just tick this box and start answering now. So remote teaching involves many additional safeguarding compared to a physical classroom. So let's answer this. Remote teaching leads to more frequent misunderstanding and miscommunication. Next. Why is it recommended that teachers use extreme caution when considering live video calls to students? So the answer is video conferencing can create an unsafe environment. Next, video conferencing can create an unsafe environment for a number of reasons. Alright, so let's answer all of the above. Are there any alternatives to video conferencing? Yes, there are many other useful options. Which alternative to video conferencing were mentioned in the video? So, all of the above. All of the following can be issues when directing students to using video sharing sites. So it may result in age-inappropriate adverts being shown. Which of the following is not a way to minimize the risk of teaching remotely? So teachers must ensure they call students. Alright. While teaching remotely, the teachers still need to report safeguarding concerns? Yes. Then let's just answer this. Are you currently looking for work in the education sector? I am actually in the education sector. Let me just answer yes. Which settings do you have experience of working within? So secondary. What is your current role? So I'm a teacher. Do you hold qualified teacher status? Yes. Please select your closest. So in here, let's just select whatever, what's this? Anyway, maybe that one. OC. Maybe that one. Alright, so let's just review this before we submit. Let's have the info and here. Let's just review if we have answered it correctly. Before submitting, double check. Miscommunication. Next. So it's all of the above. Next. already correct, so let's just click submit. Alright. So let's just wait for our certificates to be sent to us from Prospero. Take note, it is CPD. What's this? It has the CPD or CPD certification service or CPD certified. Right, so for those who are collecting certificates, you may go here, Prospero Teaching, and have your certificates depending on what course you are going to take online. Alright, so we have a lot of courses to be choose to. And there are videos before you are going to take the course to really assure yourself that you are going to pass the online course that you are going to take. Alright, so I hope this helps, especially to those who are collecting certificates for their CPD. So thank you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.